Hey, what's up? I don't know who called me though. I don't know who that was though. So yeah, I don't know if y'all heard the voice. Hey, what's up? Who that is? Oh, all right. Thank you. I'm in a rush. Somebody called my name. I said, hey, you know. I don't know who that was though. Must was a yeah. So my nickname Domino, but I tell children to call me Mister. You know. Huh. I always do a peaceful filming, not a not a talking filming though, because I don't know how many channels this is going on. You know. Mhm. I don't know where they put that right there. That's something new. Can't believe it put this right here. Real easy, gentilly. Think I should wait for the bus right here? Ain't no bus gonna come this way. Oh well. First saw that, I thought it was really a bus stop, you know. Oh well.